Domestic Heating and Electrical Services Limited is a gas safe registered company, and we cover the whole of West Sussex and the Brighton area. We work with LGP and all natural gas appliances, whether it's installing a complete heating system, making repairs, or carrying out annual services. We do all sorts of plumbing installation work and repairs, including bathrooms and toilets. Also, we do full electrical work, including part rewire or full rewire jobs. So call us on 01903 233 781 today.